Hey there! Today we need to find a special partner number for the complex number root 2, negative root 5. This special partner is called the multiplicative inverse. When we times our number with its partner, we get 1. Here is the formula we use. For any complex number with parts a and b, we flip the sign of b and split both parts by a squared plus b squared. Let's use this step by step. Let's look at our number. The first part, a, is root 2. The second part, b, is negative root 5. These are the two pieces we will put into our formula. Now let's find a squared plus b squared. Root 2 times root 2 gives us 2. Negative root 5 times negative root 5 gives us 5. Add them up and we get 7. Now let's find the first part of our answer. We take a, which is root 2, and split it by 7. That gives us root 2 over 7. Now the second part. We take negative b. Since b is negative root 5, negative times negative makes it positive. So we get root 5 over 7. Let's put both parts together now. The first part is root 2 over 7 and the second part is root 5 over 7. That's our multiplicative inverse. Let's make sure our answer is right. We times our original number with our answer and see if we get 1, 0. For the first part, root 2 times root 2 over 7 gives 2 over 7. Then negative root 5 times root 5 over 7 gives negative 5 over 7, but we take it away, so it becomes plus 5 over 7. Together that's 7 over 7, which is 1. For the second part, we get root 10 over 7 and then take away root 10 over 7. They cancel out and give us 0. So our answer gives 1, 0. It works. Great job! The multiplicative inverse of root 2,